Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This unit is called hand-free sinks. Now let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The sink overall sizes will be 17 inches in the length, 15.5 inches in the depth, and the height of the unit is about like 16.5 inches total. So as we can see, the units that come in the accessories, they come in with this one, the faucets for the top, and this for inside and underneath for any food steps on it to access the waters. And these are filters. And also this is a hinge for you to secure the backside and mount on the wall. We can take a look closer to see the dimension of the sinks. For the inner side, the sink will be about like 14 inches in the length, and the depth about like 6 inches, and wide will be about like 10 inches total. This will be all information about these hand-free sinks. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.